Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you check out the usage statistics in the AppLock application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your screen and select the second option there, which is the tools section. Press on it, and here in this page once again you should select the second option, which is usage statistics. Now after pressing on it, it will take you by default to today's date. So here you will see every statistics basically about the usage in this day, and basically it's in a hierarchy. The apps that you use the most will have the most usage, and you can also check out other days as well. You can go back to quite a few days here. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.